Hello guys, my name is Danica kosy and you are all welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be spending a day making and selling this popular Nigerian street food. And we are also going to be showing you what a day in the life of a Nigerian street food seller looks like. So today See, I must confess that it was such a busy day for us all. Like, customers kept coming, and at the same time, you have a lot of frying to do. In the end, you'll find out that you have no other alternative, like no other choice than to multitask. Yes, you mix the dough, you fry, and at the same time, you attend to customers. And anytime you don't have much customers, you arrange the ones you've already fried in the showcase. See, that's a little bit much for one person to do on the go, but here in Nigeria you'll find a lot of people doing that, and the funny part is that they do it as if it were nothing, like with a lot of joy and smile. Like, before I even knew what was happening, like, I found myself getting used to the whole thing. Like, I had a lot of fun, got to meet a lot of people, we laughed, we gisted about a lot of things and about life generally. And more importantly, I also got to learn how to make egg roll, meat pie, fish pie, puff puff, and so on. I'm so sorry I was not able to film all those in this video because we started the mixing very early in the morning, and because of that I was not able to take you guys through the whole process, like through the whole mixing process. Life in Nigeria, I must say, is incomplete without street food or street snacks, as the case may be. Street food in Nigeria is a serious business, and it is everywhere, providing livelihood for thousands of people all over the country. While there are a lot of manufactured snacks sold everywhere in the country, fresh cooked street food or street snacks hold a special place in the hearts of Nigerians, most especially those staying here in Ondo State, Akure. While going to work or going to school, at lunchtime or as a means of relaxation, a lot of people tend to patronize street food sellers. And the most interesting part of this all is that it is cheap and a lot of people can afford it. Okay, number 1 Champion Junction. Madam TK Snacks.
Oh, Madam Mommy Sharon.
Oh, Mommy Sharon, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, I really appreciate it.